Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious potato burrito. First, gather all your ingredients, ensuring you have about 2 large potatoes and 6 medium-sized tortillas ready. Next, dice your potatoes into small half-inch cubes. This helps them cook quickly and evenly. Then, preheat a large skillet over medium-high heat, adding about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil. This initial preparation is key for a smooth cooking process. Once your skillet is hot, add the diced potatoes and cook them for about 10 to 12 minutes, stirring occasionally until they are tender and beautifully golden brown. Now, it's time to season them. Sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper for flavor. Finally, stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion and continue cooking for another 3 minutes until the onion softens. Now, let's assemble these delicious burritos. First, warm your tortillas individually in a dry skillet for about 15 seconds per side. This makes them pliable. Next, spread 2 tablespoons of warm refried beans evenly across the center of each tortilla. Then, spoon about 1/3 cup of your cooked potato mixture onto the beans, followed by a sprinkle of shredded cheese. This layering creates a fantastic flavor profile. To finish, fold in the short sides of each tortilla, then roll them tightly from the bottom upwards, creating a neat package. Place the rolled burritos seam side down in a hot skillet and grill for about 2 minutes per side, or until they are lightly browned and crispy. Serve immediately with your favorite salsa or hot sauce. And hey, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.